Hey, welcome back to my English learning journey. This is Pragati. So, guys, today is day 3 of English learning journey.
Today I am going to talk with you about my journey. Yes, journey or you can say experience so far. On day 1 I was nervous. Why to tell lie? I was a lot of nervous. I was feeling a lot of nervous. On day 2 I was little comfortable, and today, that is day 3, I can see small improvement in myself. Learning any language is not that easy, but yes, I am determined to continue. I practice English by speaking daily, learning new words, listening carefully. Even if I learn one new word daily, it makes a difference. Yes, as you can see in my videos, and I feel it also that I hesitate a lot while speaking, and due to these hesitations, I create a lot of mistakes. And yes, making mistakes is also normal. Instead of feeling embarrassed, I am trying to stay positive and patient. So if you are also started to learn English, remember one thing: never give up. So guys, right now I'm outside of my room and there are a lot of background noise, so I cannot continue it in much longer ways. So one thing want to show you that this is my brother's bicycle, and he loves it a lot. He always cleans it immediately after every ride. And what makes this bicycle special is the way this he got my brother got this the way he won a school lottery ticket at just rupees 50. And since it was compulsory for every student to buy that ticket, so no one expected such a big surprise. So it was a memorable and special moment for him and my family also. So just I'm sharing a view regarding this bicycle while I'm sitting here. So I show you. So I shown you. But guys, so today's for it, and it was day 3. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video, that is of day 4.